chants of "I am gay, it's okay" and "homophobia has to go" reverberated through the air in the capital on Sunday, as hundreds of people from all walks of life participated in the Delhi edition of the Queer Pride Parade 2014.
That's okay! Hey, ha, ho, ho, homophobia has to go! Hey, ha, ho, ho, homophobia has to go!
Dancing to drum beats and whistles, all wished for freedom from the myopic mindset of society and acceptance of their existence.
I'm here to spread love and peace because I'm a special one and I have rights to love a guy or lady.
The celebration was unique. One could see the colors of the rainbow, the symbol of the gay rights movement in multicolored balloons, masquerade masks, wigs and very interesting banners. As members of the LGBT community sought solidarity from the rest of the world.
Be tolerant, live and let live. It's all I would like to say.
They should accept each human being as he or she is, and they should not make any discriminations and treat everyone as equals, as their own equals.
Sunday's march was the first since the Supreme Court of India's December 2013 judgment that upheld Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code that bans gay sex. The decision reversed the Delhi High Court's 2009 order, which said the IPC section violated the rights of LGBT people.
I don't mean to offend Modi ji, but chalta hai.
Many choose to hide their sexuality for fear of discrimination and legal action. At the parade, activists demanded that Section 377 must be revoked, no matter which government is in power.
I describe it as a terror law or a hate law. It's essentially a hate law which is justifying the rationale behind a variety of hate crimes. Okay? Ordinary individuals in this who are protesting here today have actually are hiding behind this protest a whole lot of immense daily torture and pain.
Supreme Court left a challenge for us, saying that the judge had said when he overturned High Court judgment that he thought we were a minority. He'd never seen any gay people. So I think this is just a show of strength and a message to those decision makers that we're not a minority and we're certainly not going to go back to the backdrop in the background. We are going to speak up and we're going to demand that we get access to all the basic rights that we're entitled to.
It's about the community, how the kind of atrocities they are facing here. They need to really change the mindset, and for that is the reason why the people are here.
The parade stood for equality, support and pride. Will the movement see the dawn of the day when there is no more stigma attached to this community?
I am gay! That's okay!
Be yourself, don't be afraid to be yourself because there's no one else you can be. And love, peace and equality to all of you.